Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on changing the button on your Thermomix TM5. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can complete this task efficiently and effectively. Tools needed *. 1. A Phillips screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A soft cloth for cleaning. 4. A soft brush for dusting. 5. Replacement button for the Thermomix TM5. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Before starting, ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. It's important to have a flat surface where you can place your Thermomix securely. Step 2. Unplug the device. Safety first. Make sure your Thermomix TM5 is unplugged from the electrical outlet to avoid any accidents while you work on it. Step 3. Remove the base screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate and remove the screws from the base of your Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them during the process. Step 4. Detach the base. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off. You might need to use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open if it's stuck due to buildup or dirt. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws. Step 5. Clean the internal components. Now that you have access to the internal components, take a moment to clean dust and debris. Use your soft cloth and brush to wipe down the area around the button. This ensures that when you install the new button, it will function smoothly. Remember, a clean machine operates better. Step 6. Remove the old button. Next, locate the button mechanism. You might need to unscrew it or gently detach it from its position. Be cautious not to damage surrounding parts. If you find it challenging, don't hesitate to seek our professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure nothing is overlooked. Step 7. Install the new button. Take your new button and align it with the mechanism. Secure it in place, ensuring it fits snugly. If it's not fitting correctly, double-check that no debris is blocking its path. Step 8. Reassemble the Thermomix. Now, it's time to reattach the base. Carefully place it back onto the unit and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that everything is aligned properly. Step 9. Test the new button. Before plugging your Thermomix back in, take a moment to manually test the button to ensure it moves freely and isn't obstructed. If everything looks good, proceed to the next step. Step 10. Plug in and power up. Finally, plug your Thermomix back into the outlet and power it on. Test the new button to confirm that it's functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, so you don't have to worry about no calls, no travel. Step 11. Final cleaning. After confirming everything works, give your Thermomix one last wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. A clean appliance is always more enjoyable to use. Conclusion. Replacing the button on your Thermomix TM5 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps. If you prefer, you can obtain a quote before repair from our team, ensuring transparency throughout the service. Happy cooking! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.